I was on a quest. I had to go buy some stuff from the store, and then it got me thinking. So I've been looking at lighting kits recently, and I didn't want to spend $50 to $100 on a softbox, so I made one for $6. That's with tax. Alright guys, we're going to go into the Dollar Tree and we're going to try and make a cheap softbox for some lights, because sick and tired of the lights blinding me, so let's get in there. Alright, so for about $9.05, hang on, let me turn this AC on. For about $9.05 exactly, I'm pretty sure that we just got everything that we need to make a makeshift softbox. So let's get home and build this thing, guys. We'll see you there. Peace. So some Velcro strips, they sell those at the dollar store, glue sticks, a roll of aluminum foil, a party tablecloth, and a piece of black foam board. So basically you make two trapezoids and you make two smaller trapezoids that go inside. So my lights are similar to the size of the cell phone, so they're long at the top, short on the sides. So basically what I did was I took my foam board, I put it down here, and I'm going to throw some B-roll clips of me, because I filmed this yesterday and then I decided it was too long, so hopefully you're going to make this a lot shorter. But anyways, so took my foam board, I cut out a hole in the middle where the light will go, and then from there I just basically cut edges out. So from where the light was sitting on the foam board, I basically just took a knife and I X-Acto knifed it to the edges, and then I had 4 pieces after that. Trying to get the foam board to stick at a certain angle on the light was a little bit of a pain. I highly recommend, if you have somebody to help you build one of these, to do it, because mine kind of came out a little jacked up, but it works. So basically, once you have 4 pieces that sit on the light at different angles, you'll then want to hot glue them together. Do not hot glue them to the light. I guess if you don't really take your lights anywhere or do anything with your lights, then that probably maybe shouldn't be a problem. But basically, my softbox, I can take it off of my light and then I can put it back on whenever I need to. You will also need a hot glue gun. I probably haven't mentioned that until now, so you're like 6 minutes in. Definitely, if you don't have a hot glue gun, I think that they might sell them at the dollar store. Don't quote me on this. You probably could use tape. I don't know how well the tape will hold up. I super glued I hot glued everything together, like a ridiculous amount. So I used 3 tubes of hot glue, and everything seems to be holding up pretty well. So basically, those 5 items for about $6. If you don't have a if you don't have a hot glue gun, obviously you'll probably need to spend a little bit more. If you have hot glue gun, you're good to go. But yeah, for $6 you can make a softbox, light box, whatever you want to call it. Cool. So right now, the light that is on me currently is my one single Neewer CN-160 light, and that's without the softbox on it. So right now I'm going to switch over to the softbox. So now this is the softbox. I will say this much for $5 and probably, I mean, I've never made one of these before, so it took me a little bit of extra time to figure out some stuff. Like I said, when I first initially measured it out and I thought I had the measurements correct and blah blah blah, so I had to trim it down some. I had to figure out how to hold the softbox while I was trying to glue it in the correct position to get it to all line up. So with that being said, if you have somebody to help you build this, it's probably better. So would I recommend you spending roughly about $6 to build a softbox if you have a LED light that is kind of harsh and you need a little bit of diffusion with? And I would say absolutely yes. For professional work, probably couldn't use this unless your client was cool with it and they're like, yeah, I don't care, whatever, man, whatever works for you. Then, you know, by all means, use a $6 softbox. But in all honesty, so you'll need the party cloth, the party table cloth for the diffusion, a piece of black foam board. You can get white foam board, it's up to you. A package of Velcro, a package of aluminum foil, and a package of glue sticks. I would assume most everybody already has a hot glue gun, and that's about it. So I'm Jordan, and hopefully this helps you guys, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.